Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, there is a lot happening with Ripple and XRP. We've got Stuart Algorand, the attorney for Ripple, absolutely destroying the SEC in an interview, which is awesome. We've got Charles Gasparino full hating on the XRP army. I have no idea why this happens. It's really, really annoying. There is a potential for XRP to skyrocket 480%. Really interesting analysts right here putting out some predictions. We've got CoinShares now getting the rights to buy Valkyrie's crypto ETF. Ethereum's big moment now with BlackRock officially filing their ETF application to the SEC, and Solana news as well. Absolutely pumping. My crypto bots today, you're going to want to settle in and watch this because honestly, you're going to freak. And I'm not kidding, okay? So stick around to the end of the video. I've actually got an espresso now, and I literally cracked my freaking phone making this stuff, and I did tweet that today, and some awesome people have recommended some phone cases, but this is what happens. So we're very bullish on this Friday afternoon. Also, the Formula One is taking place as we speak, Practice 1 in Las Vegas, which is insane. And if you are at the Las Vegas Grand Prix, let me know in the comments because I'm very, very jealous of that. Anyway, let's get into the video, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification because I love doing these videos every single day, documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting freaking insane in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence. Right, bulls, formally, let's go. Shows the formalities are out of the way. Let's get into it. Top altcoins in the portfolio. We have Ravain, Doge, XPR Proton, Near Protocol, and Sia Coin. Now, I've been seeing a lot of stuff on X as well. Caspar, the crypto Caspar, that's K-A-S-P-A, is absolutely flying today. We're going to have a look at that in a moment. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. I do have this set to AUD. There is a lot happening with my three Comas bots and OKX, both partners of the channel, by the way, and I'm needing to see what's going on in Australian dollars. So I do apologize about that. We have total market US dollars, 1.39 trillion today. We've got $71 billion in volume. There's a nice creep up back there. The last couple of days has been pretty volatile, as you can see on the chart. Now, there are 27,093 cryptocurrencies, which is just crazy when you think about that. There's a lot of them. Most of them will go to zero. The ones with utility will stick around. Top altcoins in my portfolio today, we have Ravain, Doge, XPR, Proton, Sia, Nia, Kin. We have Theta, Omi, Harmony One, Axie Infinity as well. And I'm still looking for a place to stake my Axie Infinity because I was getting insane yields on Coinspot before they bowed down to the Australian regulator. Anyway, moving on, bulls. Let's go to crypto bubbles and see what's going on here. Yes, I have the Wall Street Bull University. This is where I put up all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, bots with 3 commas, the full videos I've got on this group right now, and I just put up a few videos today and the other day as well because there's a lot going on here. You're going to want to see this, and I love talking with everybody in this community, and I literally responded to everybody before. So if you're in the Patreon, I just responded to you, and there is also a really cool chat feature in here where I can speak to everyone pretty much straight away, and everyone can upload there and take, you know, whatever they need out of it. It's awesome. Really, really bullish community. It is growing significantly, and it does take me a bit of time to get to everybody, so I apologize if I haven't gotten to your messages yet, but I did respond to everybody just today. There you go. So, bullish community. I also put up my dividend investing, which again is something that's more of a very steady type of investing that I've been doing for a very long time, and I do put up my dollar cost averaging buys every single week and share that in the community as well. So 1,437 post bulls. This is no BS. This is me running it. There's no shilling. There's no nothing. It's just simply me documenting what's making me money. And if I was to do this on YouTube, I'd probably get banned. So Join up to the Wall Street Bull University is linked below. Now, I'm going to quickly show you my 3 Comas bots. They are an official partner of the channel. There you go. Just jumped up right now. Now, this is the application on your phone. You can use this if you wish. I personally like to set up my bots and monitor them on the app, as well as OKX, both partners of the channel, bullish. So I would suggest that you basically use a desktop big screen to set these up. You can do whatever you like, but it makes things a lot easier. Now, my subscribers that use the link below will get 50% off your yearly membership. And if you are wanting to use the monthly membership, which is what I do, I pay every single month. So you get 10% off that monthly membership fee. So it's up to you. You can do whatever you like. You can take the stress out of having to worry about it every month and just buy the year, or you can pay monthly. So it doesn't really matter. And there are different levels, by the way. So I'm currently trading with the Pro subscription because I can trade as many bots as I want. There are no restrictions with that, which is awesome. So you can see I'm trading with these current bots at the moment. Now, I do have all of these linked in the Patreon. You can literally copy these if you wish. That's completely up to you, or you can create your own on any exchange. But I use OKX because it allows me to trade with leverage here in Australia. Unfortunately, we have regulators that don't like people trading with leverage. Whatever. That should be their choice, not the Australian government, to be honest. I'm having a sip of coffee. Okay. That coffee was worth my iPhone. Yeah, no worries. Now, again, you can monitor your bots on here, whatever deals you've got going on at the moment. And unfortunately, I don't know what's going on here, but it's not really loading. Let me just wait for it to refresh. Here we go. All right. So these 2 particular bots alone, I've got everything. Literally, it took me about 40 minutes to type up the whole list that you can copy on the Patreon. All of these 2 bots right here, the short and the long, so I'm trading both ways. They're trading all of the perpetual futures on OKX. So that's literally every altcoin. I've got this set to 100 deals per bot. Now, just to put things in perspective, you're going to see how crazy this is. In actual fact, let's just go to this right now on OKX. Very, very bullish. Now, this is no BS, okay? Today, I've made 7.58%. That's $2,106 Aussie. On the week, 34%. That's $7,133. On the month here, I'm up 96%. That's $13,645. And on 6 months, that's $27,916. That's 1,542%. Mind blown. Now, I am taking profits out of my deals, moving it from my trading wallet to my funding wallet, and obviously that's going to help pay the bills because everything's going up. But you see down here the positions open. I've currently got 178 trades in play at the moment, trading both long and short. 3 Comas bots basically trigger this on an RSI indicator on a 3-minute time frame. You can adjust whatever you want. You can trade with Bollinger Bands, obviously the RSI. You can trade on a MACD. There is multiple deal start conditions. There's heaps of them. Or if you're trading single pairs, you can do basically open trade ASAP, which means I've got these set to 1.5% profits and they're just constantly trading. So there's no real deal start condition. It just moves, takes profit long or short. So it's entirely up to you, but the returns have been absolutely ridiculous. Now, I'm just going to go to the history. So you can see right here, the short positions have made profit. Because the market's been a little bit all over the place. The long positions have made profit. Today is a good day. To put it in things in perspective, you do have the odd liquidation here and there. That goes without saying. You have bad days, you have good days. The last couple of days have been quite difficult. They have made my money back, but today is just extraordinary. So today is like a 98% win rate day, as you can see here from the history of the trades. I mean, look at these 2 alone. By the way, this is all closed out today, the 17th. So not bad for one day, right? I know a lot of people, and this is not financial advice. Please do your own research with this stuff. But I know people that have to work, and close friends of mine and family that work very freaking hard to make that in a week. Tradesmen, hard-working blue-collar guys. And, you know, I've shown my close friends this, and they're absolutely freaking out. And this is what you have to do in crypto. You have to bring your friends along with you, because what's the point of doing all of this if you can't share it with anybody? There you go. So this is why I love the Wall Street Bull University, because people are obviously looking into this at their own discretion and have seen some pretty incredible results. And to be quite honest with you, I've been receiving dozens and dozens of messages from people saying that now that they're earning more from these 3 Comas bots than they are in their daily jobs, which is just really crazy when you think about that, and it's humbling. So There you go, Bulls. This is no BS. It's not a scam. It's just something I've been doing, and I'm documenting it on the channel. Anyway, let's get to the news. Join up to the Wall Street Bull Patreon, Bulls. It's down below. Quickly on Crypto Bubbles. Casper's flying, man, like absolutely flying. I believe I hold this in the portfolio. I've got so many coins, but 13 cents. In the day, it's up 11%, 37% on the week, and on the month, 181%. Now, I saw some post on X as well, and somebody would have got in very, very early with this to put it in perspective, but 0.0 in the pennies, and it's obviously sitting at 13 cents USD today, and somebody put about $5,000 into Casper and has made like $3 million. Wow. And this is what another thing people have to understand is the earlier you are in crypto, the better. That's usually the case. People would buy things at these prices a year ago, have held onto it, not sold. And I'm not saying to do that because, I mean, if you're sitting on a few $1 million in profit, you take that out and you utilize that to obviously other things in life. But crazy to think that how early this person got in. Wow. Dogecoin, 6%. There are updates on the Dogecoin network as well taking place. I saw something on X today, and I will have a look at that in detail. Let's have a look here. There are incredible buying opportunities, in my opinion, such as Quant, down 3.4%, 102. I'm extremely bullish on utility coins, as everyone knows, $102 US at the moment. Matic is one that I haven't spoken about for a while, but that's still up 65% on the month at 86 cents. I remember this being a hell of a lot higher than, as you can see, right, look at this. A year ago, we're looking right here, $1.49 USD. I remember this being well and truly higher than this. So Polygon Matic, okay, don't sleep on that one. I like that personally myself. I do hold Matic. Now Solana is down today 9.6%. For me, it's a really good dollar cost averaging opportunity at $58. Now, I remember Solana being in the hundreds during the bull market. So seeing this now has been really, really incredible. And also I bought it when FTX collapsed. So took advantage of that major crash. Literally, it just went like a straight right angle down, and I just bought it. So I got in at the right time, early. Timing is everything when these coins crash, and basically you need to be holding for a long time to see those results. Now, Bulls, let's move on to the news. I want to get into this now. We've got the SEC troubles deep and Ripple lawsuit and Bill Hinman. Stuart Algorand doesn't hold back, and I like that. I really do. But Ripple's chief legal officer targets the SEC chair Gary Gensler, and the remedies related to discovery of part of the SEC vs Ripple case commenced on Monday. Judge Torres gave the SEC and Ripple until February 12th, 2024 to conclude remedies related to discovery. And until February, the crypto community will likely speculate about the likely penalty Ripple must pay for the XRP sales to institutional clients. I reckon they're going to get a big discount. I do. Now, with the parties entering in the final stage of the case, the SEC and the SEC chair Gary Gensler could face increased scrutiny. So they should. Judge Torres decides on the penalty amount. Intense scrutiny of the SEC methods may draw the interest from Judge Torres and other involved in the crypto cases. On Thursday, Chief Legal Officer Stuart Algorand, legend, reacted to SEC Chair Gary Gensler's post on X, formerly Twitter. Speaking at the 2023 Securities Enforcement Forum, and there is a video of Gary Gensler on this as well, Gensler quoted a speech from the first SEC Chair Joseph Kennedy. "We are not prosecutors of honest business nor defenders of crookedness. We are partners of the honest business and prosecutors of dishonesty. We shall not prejudge, but we shall investigate." Really? And then Algorand had this to say about Gensler's reference to the Kennedy speech. Fact check Gensler's recent remarks. Ripple was sued but never charged with dishonesty. The failed case against it was prejudged, beginning with ethically compromised Bill Hinman. Gensler has prejudged crypto and has filed suit against others without investigation. That is so true. Wasting 2 freaking years. 2 years. Now, the thorn in SEC's side, 2018, Bill Hinman and Bitcoin and Ethereum are not security speech. While seemingly innocuous right here, Hinman previously worked at Simpson Thacher, a law firm that forms part of the group promoting enterprise Ethereum. And while the SEC Director and Division of Corporate Finance documents show Hinman meeting with former employee despite the SEC ethics team advising otherwise, the famous Hinman speech related to the documents became a focal point of the SEC vs Ripple case. The SEC made at least 6 attempts to shield the speech related to documents under attorney-client privilege. However, the court denied the SEC's motions and forced the SEC to disclose the documents to Ripple. Now, if the SEC desires to shield the documents from the public scrutiny, the documents could have significant bearing on the case. Truth. Ripple is not alone in recognizing the relevance of the Hinman speech and associated documents. In 2021, the US government watchdog Empower Oversight sued the SEC, alleging that the former SEC officials were biased against Ripple Labs and XRP. That is true. So true. I remember that actually happening. The continued focus on Bill Hinman may be concern for the SEC. In court discussions about Bill Hinman and his association with Simpson Thacher and Enterprise Ethereum could draw more federal judge condemnation. I think that needs to happen, Bulls. Let's quickly move on here. Now, XRP Ripple could potentially hit 480%. I do apologize about that, which is crazy because it's going to go back to $3.80. And this is basically going back to its all-time high. But analyst JD recently took to X to share his bullish projection of Ripple's XRP token. According to JD, Ripple's XRP could rally around $3.80, rising by an amount of 484%. Which is huge from the current price levels. However, JD's prediction came with XRP, went through the correction after news about fake BlackRock ETF as well. But as per the coin charts shared by JD, XRP has broken out of its triangle, which has been descending since early 2021. The analyst who also pointed out that XRP has seen higher highs and lows within the triangle pattern. Moreover, JD highlighted that the token has held strong even after falling to its support level. The only way from here, Bulls, is up, in my opinion. Now, we've got CoinShares gets buying rights to Valkyrie's crypto ETF unit. Everyone's buying up ETFs. It's unbelievable. The deal comes as Bitcoin ETF applications in the US are seemingly inching closer towards regulatory approval. European digital asset management firm CoinShares secured its exclusive option to acquire the exchange-traded fund ETF unit of the United States competitor Valkyrie Investments, including Valkyrie Bitcoin Fund, that's awaiting US approval. CoinShares said on November 17th that the move helps it expand to the United States, which could soon become the epicenter of ETF offerings right now. And that's going to be huge, by the way. And the firm's CEO, Jean-Marie, added he hopes the Valkyrie acquisition will help it to capitalize on what is currently the fragmented global ETF market. Big money coming into this space, Bulls. There really is. Now we've got BlackRock. Ethereum's big moment. BlackRock submits ETF filing to the United States SEC. The world's largest asset manager has officially lodged an Ethereum exchange-traded fund application with the SEC. This notable step marks BlackRock's deeper foray into the burgeoning digital asset market. Proposed iShares Ethereum Trust is structured to closely track the price performance of Ethereum, the second leading crypto, minus the trust's operational expenses and liabilities. There you go. I wonder if there is going to be a XRP ETF. Now, we've got Solana is up 35% over the past week, adding to its 2023 rally of better than 500%. And exchange-traded products tracking the cryptocurrency saw $12 million in inflows last week, according to CoinShares. This is huge. Absolutely huge. Now, Solana, the native crypto of the Solana blockchain, hit at the highest price of May 2022, rising to $68. Thursday, while retreating to $62 by the afternoon, it's still up more than 35% on the week. And Sol is up more than 500% from January 1st price of $9.97. Now, I bought Solana well truly under that when FTX collapsed, and everybody was fearful and getting out of it. I bought it. That's what I did. We've got money going into Ethereum, Solana. We also have Doge, XRP, BNB. We have Render. We have DYDX and Polkadot. Really, really nice. Absolutely love those projects as well. Now, let's go to X Bulls and have a look. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Thank you to those 5,600 plus people who have subscribed. If you haven't, go subscribe. Now, Bulls, again, I keep talking about this because Black Friday is only in a couple of days. This is my XRP skull ring, no BS. And if you look closely here, you can see Ripple Coin XRP. Very, very nice detailing there. This is no BS. I've actually got a few of these now in production, which is awesome. They are all made to order. These are no BS serious pieces right here. So go and have a look. That's my money ring. As you can see right there, if I can get it on the camera, there is a $100 bill on the side of the ring. There we go. If it wants to focus. There we go. There is Benjamin Franklin right there on the side of my ring. Why? Because cash flow is important. Go order one of these bulls. You will not regret it. Link is there on Twitter, and I'll put it up in the community tab as well. Go and check it out. Now, look at this. This is somebody who bought Casper, like, obviously in the pennies, but 5K into Casper's now turned into $3 million. If this person doesn't take profits, will be an absolute idiot, but congratulations, that's incredible. JP Morgan test tokenized portfolios with Avalanche blockchain tech. That's why AVAX was pumping the other day, and the SEC asked federal judge to force Elon Musk to testify over his $44 billion acquisition of Twitter. If he has $44 billion, he can do whatever the hell he wants. No, he doesn't have to testify, and I think his lawyers are going to be pretty powerful, don't you? USA is the largest holder of Bitcoin in the world. Very, very nice. Moving down, yes, Las Vegas Grand Prix is taking place, and I'm filming at the moment, so I can't watch that. Gary Genzo, I'm not going to even play it, but Stuart Alderodi has basically ripped him a new one, which is really, really good as well. Yes, I dropped my freaking phone. More Vegas Grand Prix. Now, this is crazy, but Hex and Pulse Chain founder Richard Hart is apparently hiding from the SEC. He did not respond to the SEC charges. Well, which is crazy, and within the deadline, and you know, as I said, I sort of had a gut feeling about that whole project with Hex and Pulse Chain. And if you've got a crypto founder that's splashing themselves around online, buying luxury goods and flaunting that like crazy, come on, man, you don't see Brett Garlinghouse doing that. Just saying. And I hope everyone gets their money back if it does crash again. Who knows? Tether plans to be spending $500 million to become one of the world's largest Bitcoin miners. That's awesome. This is crazy, but the forgive me if I'm pronouncing this wrong, but the Vacaville Firefighters Union to buy Bitcoin for its balance sheet and self-custody. That's awesome. And we have ETF update here. $94.2 billion Wisdom Tree filed an updated version of its spot Bitcoin ETF, which is crazy. Who took this freaking photo? That's just capturing a moment right there. That's a moment and a half. Wow. I want to know if you're the photographer of that. Let me know in the comments. And we have CZ from Binance meeting with President Xi from China with all of these investors like Larry Fink and Ray Dalio. That's pretty full on. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 70 right now. Go back to CoinMarketCap. And yes, my main focus, bulls, is of course the banking coins. Utility is king. This is where the new payment rails of the future are going to be built on. We know this for a fact. And of course, Bitcoin is in there because it is gold, literally. Now we've got XRP Solana doing quite well. Also, Solana bulls in the last 7 days alone is up 25%, which is crazy. All time, 6,900%. But if you look at XRP's all time, it's 10,000%. And where it gets really crazy, if you come down to Quant, it is up 35,000% in all time. Mind blown. AVAX is pumping as well today, 6%. And this one's definitely a sleeper. If we go to all time, if I can get this freaking app to work, again, all time was $115 at the peak of the bull market, 2021, and it's currently trading at $23. People don't realize that these prices were a hell of a lot higher in the previous bull market. That is for sure. Like a lot higher. Anyway, join the Patreon. I'm out of here. I will speak to everyone tomorrow in a video, and go join up to the Patreon. He's linked below. You will not regret it. I love speaking with everyone in there as well. And my bots with 3 commas and OKX are just, believe it or not, it's up to you. Go and have a look. You can try it yourself if you wish. Not financial advice. I'll speak to everyone later. Have a good night, good evening, and good morning if it's morning. Have an espresso and don't break your phone. All right, peace out, bulls. Bye.